How to add robot effect to your voice audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the home page. Now click on new project to upload a new project, or just choose from your drafts. I already have this video right here, so I'm gonna choose it. Now let's say that you want to add some robot effect on this audio right here. Click on your audio and click on it again. Now it will take you to this page. Click on voice effects right here, and now swipe right like this until you find robot effects. Click on it. Now I just added the robot effects on my audio easily. Click save and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.